follow me, okay? Try to memorize by yourself. Good. Stay. And flex. And up. Right side same. Stretch your heel. Good. And flex. Keep your back straight. Look down. Stretch your shoulders as well. And really way up. 7 heels. Take it easy. Good. Feel your stomach flat. Hold it in. Don't relax. Shoulder open. Clear. We turn up. Left side foot circle. Left side foot. And easy. Clear. Hand circle from right side. Circle back to the left side. Beautiful. Circle your foot again. And clear. Hand circle again from left side. All the way back to the right side. Beautiful. Tongue to front. Don't forget your dead point. Go through dead point. Point your toes. Left side arm. Pull watch your side. And up. Tongue to back. First. Tailbone, okay? Don't let it go. Hold the tailbone. And outside arm. Pull watch your side. Beautiful. Two tongue to the side. Keep your heel push forwards. Make turn out. Yes. Turn in, turn out. Relax. Clear in. Straight out. And clear. Come to back. And slide down all the way. Okay, look down. Keep your shoulder open. Let it go. 2 more counts. Right now, slowly up. First position, clear. Really up. One arm up. Get ready. Your upper body forwards. Tailbone forwards. Release bar hold.